Yeah, welcome back. The third session. This is the last session of the day. Mm, So, yeah, any point from the previous session? Any observation from anyone? If not, then let me share this particular image. This actually I got in one of the homeschoolers group. I'm a part of it. So there, it's a proposal from one of the person. I've removed the names from this routine because those are irrelevant. So this is a proposal that one can choose the preferred subject. This is one child: English, EVS, Marathi, IPM, daily diary, piano. And this one is reading, piano, drawing. I don't know, this must be a subject, PM10, clothes. And this is for the parent: reading, maybe micro video making, and any live session. The parent also has included this in this, so that the children can get motivated to decide a routine for themselves. So this is basically bringing a knack of goal setting or planning for the children. So I open the forum for you guys to share your observation. What is your observation about the goal setting, imposition of goal setting, or training the children to set a goal for themselves?
So can I ask a question?
Yes.
So who has made this? Has the
There is a
child
mother.
made it himself?
Mother proposed it. Mother proposed to the children that this kind of maintenance of the routine can lead you to achieve XYZ, or to learn better, or whatever the goal could be. So one goal you can set, and for that goal you can plan a strategy to achieve it. This is the proposal, basic. Forget about this routine and these things. Are you able to understand?
Yes,
The
sir. Now I understand that the
core,
mother wants that the child does all these things, and
so that they
so
can achieve
yeah,
a set goal with a
yeah.
strategy. Yeah. So I invite you all to share your. Yes, Rashmi, please start.
Yeah, I just wanted to say this is like provoking me.
Yeah, please.
Yeah, so it's like it's very disturbing to see anything like this, because not I would not say to use the word disturbing. This doesn't make me feel uneasy, because it is then a hindrance to the child's own personal natural emergence of what happens with whatever the child wants to do with that particular activity. So the child will learn its own pace. It is not that in this period of time child will learn this. It may take more, it may take very quickly. So the child will decide the next step in, and the child also doesn't know, it will emerge for the child. So it's something very natural, and it's like how life moves. Then it is like building and blocking the child's growth actually, and asking and putting them in boxes and asking them, okay, today do you this, today do that. And I'm a mother who is sending the child to I mean, a lot of people might ask me, counter ask me that, okay, you're a mother who is sending child to mainstream schools. How you been saying that? So in the mainstream zone also, I have tried and maintained, at least from my end, completely. Whatever happens in the school is something that's different thing, but we have chosen a school which is very holistic. But even from our end, we just the child is the person who wants to learn and who wishes to learn. and decide. And we keep on inquiring if they want to continue with the school or not. So that's a conversation which is constantly going in the household. And also the child only decides that they want to study maths or English. Doesn't matter what marks are they getting in which subject. So this is something for me which is Yeah.
Anyone else? Here, yeah, Binal.
Goal setting would mean that putting a marker somewhere in the future of some a place to reach, like a pre-decided goal. And if you, so it's more like a idea generated emotion, because even if you achieve that goal, then you kind of justify that, this is how it is, I achieved it. So it could be a case of stimulation also, or if you don't, then you get disappointed by not achieving that goal. So either ways, there is a risk of, allowing the emotions to take over. And who knows, if one were not to set a goal and just go with the flow, then one would even perhaps better, whatever that so-called goal was. So without even
What is this better?
so whatever may be the goal that was set, maybe that could have been surpassed also, if one were not to set any goal without.
Should we do that this to surpass that that particular goal?
No, that happens as a that is not thought of. It happens. It's not like a pre-planned
It's
thing.
not planned. It
Yeah.
might end up as a
It may,
byproduct,
or it may
may
also, but
surpass,
it may not disturb the person.
Yes, yes.
Well,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah. Just suppose a person, the parent is doing this in a neutral mode of mind, and then this is exposing the child to multiple things, and it is revealing to the parent, especially, that the child is interested in these things more than the other things. So it can support the child in that way. If it is done in a
Very
neutral
valid.
manner.
Very valid. Like you mean that
Yeah.
the child, the parents are explicit about this, that if you are not following this, then also it doesn't matter. If you're following, then also, yeah. That's what you
Yes.
mean, that neutral, right?
Yes. So then the child comes to know about its own passions, and the parent comes to know what the child real interest is, and then they can further explore those possibilities.
Yes, very valid input. Anyone else?
Also, this could be made with the child in, the child deciding.
Yeah. In
What are
this
the
case,
things?
the child is deciding. The framework is proposed by the parent, but the child is deciding which subject they choose and how they.
Yeah. So I then agree with Dr. Kaur that it can actually help the child, expose themselves to various things, and then they might choose something out of their own flowering, that they like doing more, or something absolutely different from this. Like they may just decide to not do either of these, and that also be okay. But in some way, scheduling actually helps in trying out different things. So like I can tell you with my own example, I have not pushed my son to do it, but he himself, last 2 years with the lockdown things going on, 1.5 years, he himself feels that he does a lot more diverse things, and he doesn't get hooked to the screens when he has a broad idea of all the things that he wants to do in a day. And of course it helps to kind of, like, after understanding whatever we are doing now, I keep trying to tell him that it's not, I mean, it doesn't have to be very watertight. You can do different things if you feel like doing it at a point of time. The only constraint I see is that once it gets set in a person's mind, it's difficult to let your heart flow. Let the things go as it is going.
Let me
It's very
ask you a
difficult for him.
question.
Yes.
Let me ask you a question if you could. Yeah. So suppose your child stops everything that he chooses to do. Everything, like no visible goal that you see in his life. What will be your inner processing? How would
He'll
you?
be doing something, no? Something.
Yeah.
Naturally, a person will do something. It could be just being on screens.
If suppose that thing is also you are not able to identify, what is your inner processing?
It's changing with with attending these sessions. That processing is changing. It's making me and anyway, I mean, it is somewhere leading to understand that whatever happens, something is going on. Something is being processed in all our minds at any given point of time.
Yes. So we may, the other person, the third person may identify or not, something is going on for sure. He will end up doing something, because if he is alive, he will take an action for sure. So
absolutely.
my
And
inner
everybody
processing,
wants their life to work out.
Yes. Momita, you want to come in? Momita proposed that mother gave the idea which made the child idea based, where natural process has stopped. I'm not sure if she is there because my
Sir?
screen is shared. Yeah, Meenu.
So the issue here is in the framework that I see, that what is being proposed is bringing an emotional action.
Yes, some
So
subtle idea is being imposed as
yeah,
a goal. Yes. Right. Actually,
so
this
I don't know if
particular
everyone
this
has
particular
understood it, but you can
this particular
explain.
page is not the aspect, but what is
Yeah, it could be
primary
interpreted
is
in
what is
different ways, but
what is the
what
inner
the
processing?
proposal, yeah.
Anshu, please.
Yes, actually, when you were asking that what if the child is not doing anything and not showing any interest in anything, so
Yes.
That means the child is enervated.
Yeah, Anshu, I couldn't get your question or proposal last sentence. Can you repeat, please?
Sir, I
Anshu,
can't hear Anshu.
I also can't. Anshu, you are not audible. I'm not sure if you are talking. Anyway, anyone else? Yes, Priti, please.
I would like to share an experience actually, which I can relate very well to the situation. Is that so we are 5 people who are staying together, and we are being mentored by people who are almost like parent figures. Okay, and the people who are getting mentored, the age group is like me, that is 30, and there are some 18-year-olds also. So it's like somebody pointed out, what if the whole planning happened like the mother gave the idea, and the child became idea based. So somewhere in that process, I found that the schedule that I had made for myself was not really my idea. I was kind of mimicking the energy or the intention of the person who was mentoring me, and I thought that was the best for me at that time, which actually just put me in a position where I was completely removed from the activity that I would otherwise enjoy doing.
Yes.
Which I also saw in another 18-year-old, and I was away on a trip, and when I came back, I saw him sleeping the whole day, sitting on his couch the whole day. He was not doing anything. And for me, it was like, yeah, arey, ye kya hua, you know, like why? Because for me, I'm like, I get up and I push myself to not be sulking or anything. So I went and spoke to him, and it was such a different perspective. He's like, I'm not sulking. I just want to not do anything. I created a schedule for myself, and now I don't want to do that schedule. I don't want to do anything.
Mhm.
And he doesn't know how long he's going to be in that phase, but he's happy there. So for me, I've understood that like there are so many layers to this activity.
Mm.
You know, even if we say that the child is involved, how actually involved is the child? Whereas the same thing happened with another friend. She helped me sit down and create a schedule for myself, and that was more of, you know, she actually just wrote it down. She didn't do anything beyond that. She just did the activity of an assistant who was just writing it down, and I was creating it all by myself.
Okay, she
So
was noting your
she
whatever
was
you are
just,
saying.
so she was
Okay.
just asking me questions and noting everything down that I had said, and then help me see it and create a schedule from it on my own, rather than putting her intentions in me or her ideas in me.
Mhm.
So that was such a big difference from, you know, I mean, both
Mhm.
things I see, they're both well-meaning people and all of that, but I see such a difference in my energy and my action, like willingness to take action.
Yeah, yeah. The example that you have given, that about that guy, is really meaningful, because the inner processing of the scheduling, that matters the most. You know,
Mm,
irrespective of the cases that you are scheduling or not,
right.
what is the impact of that schedule in your chemical, in your physiological sensation? That matters the most in terms of the energy conservation. If it starts affecting in either ways, that I am allergic to the schedule or I am obsessive about the schedule, in both the cases, I will innervate, I will deplete my own energy, which I would have rather placed in something else or whatnot. Yeah, yeah, beautiful. Yeah, so
That
yeah.
I see as a catch, actually, because if I tell my son, after having made the schedule himself, that do not get so obsessive about it,
Mhm.
he says, then what's the point of making it? If I have made it,
Mhm.
then I will get obsessive about it.
Yeah, anyone want to share on this? I'm actually pushed to share something, that I'm making it just for making it. That could be one enjoyment. Like, I can schedule it. That also gives you a sense of achievement itself, if you are in the path of the journey. So as they say, not the destination, but the journey, which is more meaningful. So making of the schedule also is one achievement one can opt to. Am I making sense?
Sir,
Yeah, yeah,
Sir,
actually,
I got disconnected, so I lost the context.
sir, I was
Okay.
just wanting to add in one thing, that Karni, my younger one, she likes to make these schedules. So she'll write the timing on one side, the day on the other, and then she will put lots of colors with sketch pens and make it very decorative, and never look back at it, what is written, and never even, like, and I, like, kind of asked her that, why are you making this? बस मुझे बनाना है. She has never even looked at it कि मैंने क्या time लिखा है उठने का, या whatever it is, like. So I can understand what you're saying here,
Yeah.
that
Yeah,
just for
Rashi,
the
you were saying something, Rashi.
yeah, it's exactly the same. My younger one is like, she'll make this timetable with so much of enthusiasm. But when it comes to implementation, it's absolutely like, it's her wish. Like
So
whenever she wants to.
this big brings a takeaway from this conversation, that it's okay not to stick to a schedule, still scheduling, isn't it?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
But if the elder
Yes,
one,
sir.
but the elder one wants to implement that, Is it still okay?
Now, how that individual is implementing that thing need to be identified, and it cannot have a general rule. Like while implementing, if that individual is obsessive, then it is an enervating route one has opted.
And if he is not?
If he is not, then it's fine. Obviously, it's fine.
So,
Like
so basically, the thing is that the framework on which we are doing these things, are we bringing this schedule-based, goal-based thing? Like, are we having some goal in mind that if I do this, then only I am
yes,
like
that's the
I will
biggest
be
idea that we
satisfied
suffer
or
from.
something like that.
Yeah.
That is the framework we need to understand. Yeah. Yeah. So rather than bringing this emotion based action, can we also bring in that inquiry in the path of questioning whatever the emotion is coming at that time, and then doing whatever action is
emerging out.
required?
Can I ask something?
Yes, ma'am.
I am not able to figure if what exactly is obsession, because say in my son's case, I mean, even in vacation when he was making these schedules, he would not talk to a friend if the schedule did not permit him, because that time
This
he
is
had
obsession.
scheduled something else. Yeah. So now the point is, I was trying to explain it, but would my explaining it to him be suppression of what he wants to do?
No, explaining may not be suppression if he is interested to listen to. If he is not interested to listen to, then it will be definitely a waste of your energy.
Yeah.
So you can opt to have a conversation with him, and then
okay,
you can share your thoughts, and obviously without any obsession from your end of him accepting it. Right?
So when
Your
you are
thoughts.
having this conversation, actually, the purpose of this conversation could be to understand what is the purpose of him making these
Doing it, and
schedules
from
and
where
sticking to it.
he got this idea.
So rather than wanting to explain something like you are being obsessive about it and all that, you can ask him like, why are you making it? What is the purpose? Or what? No, not in these words, but whatever thing that comes to your mind. The framework inside you needs to be that you want to understand the reason of him doing it.
Genuinely.
Yeah, genuinely.
Yes, that's very important.
Yes,
like
great.
you may uncover something in this conversation which you find very rational, and you may share in the next conversation of our in meeting that this was the rationale shared by my son. Am I audible? Guys,
yes.
Am I audible?
Now it was
okay.
lagging,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
yes.
So yeah, Anshu, please.
I have seen that reason for it. She makes it, I have seen her mind is less cluttered, and she's more relaxed. I feel sometimes that it could be because she makes the routine just to have a sense of what she's going to do today, some kind of plan. She may or may not follow it, but it relaxes her. A lot of times I have seen. And I have also seen that some days, for some things, like in her schedule, she has written that this time I want to play this game with my mom, this game with my dad. So she may not follow everything, but some of those things, she used to be very particular that this time I told that you have to be with me and you have to play with me, and you are not doing it. So she used to be very adamant. And then I realized that on those days, maybe a few, like a week earlier, I was not able to give much time to her, or my husband also was not able to give much time to her. So she was very particular. I want to spend time with my parents, and those things in her routine, she has to do it. So yeah, that's what I wanted to say.
Yeah. So
So I mean, to understand what is her purpose for doing, so this is what I figure out.
could you
from her.
figure out from where she has learned this, like this
Making a routine?
scheduling? Yeah.
I used to do it myself a lot of days. So she has seen me doing it, and I used to mention it, that a lot of times a few things which I feel is important to be done, and I missed doing it, or something else I did it. So if I have made a schedule, a lot of times it becomes easier for me. So I used to talk about it also. So maybe she got it from there.
Yeah. Could you please be explicit little more with your child, that even if I don't achieve the schedule that I make, non-verbally, verbally, then also it doesn't matter. Some other thing may emerge, which is also useful for the life, so that obsession is not carried forward.
Yeah. That I have made it very clear with her, and she's also not very particular about
Non-verbally.
it. But for
Non-verbally.
verbally, okay, non-verbally.
Non-verbally.
Okay, fine, right.
Yeah, non-verbally, genuinely. Like, actually, do you agree on that point, or do you identify this as a fact that even if we don't follow the schedule, then also some other thing will emerge naturally if we continue conserving our vitality, energy, then that also will make sense in life.
Right, sir. I agree with that point.
I think the internet is disturbing today. Again, I might
Sir,
have
your
lost.
voice is
Yeah.
breaking.
There is some instability. I'm getting the information. Am I audible? Am I audible, guys? Now?
Yeah.
Okay, now it's back.
So, sir, I
Yes,
totally agree that making a schedule, we don't have to stick to it. Even when I do it, I just do it because in the morning, when I feel that these things, I put a schedule, it might help me to clear out things. But I also may not be following it, and then when she makes her routine also, I have noticed that she is not very particular. But I told some of the days that's because she has not got what she wants to be a week. She likes time with us, and if she's not able to spend time with us, then she is very particular, because maybe she's frustrated that we are not spending time with her. I'm just telling one example.
Yeah. Is my screen shared? Is my screen shared?
Sir,
yes, sir.
I'm not able to hear.
Yes, it's shared.
Yeah, Shilpi, will you be able to read it? This was my response to that group.
Was it?
Yes, and to hear it.
Yeah, anyone can read? Can anyone? I think there was repeated disturbance in the internet. So let me not share the screen anymore. Am I audible, guys? Now? Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so Shilpi, you were reading already? I couldn't hear anything because of the connection.
Yes.
You read it already? You can read it
No,
from your
no.
WhatsApp
Just,
also. From your WhatsApp also you can read it. Let's not.
okay.
Yeah.
Yes, I will just do that.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. If we talk about natural learning, which is a default knack in everyone, in every child, it's hampered with intentional interferences, which means any external influence which causes artificial simulation for the child's brain leads to depletion of energy of the child or anyone for that matter. Depletion of energy is the primary cause of all of our problems, including the comprises of natural learning and growth. Naturally, the child is programmed to get information from outside world and learn. As responsible parents, we need to bring more and more physical experiences and information to the child so that the ideated artificial influences can be swayed as much as possible. The imposition of goal setting whatsoever is another idea that we bring with agenda of learning or success. This cannot be claimed supporting the natural learning. The child herself might decide sometime to achieve something and may insist on planning or strategy. In those cases,
Unable to hear Shilpi's voice.
Yeah, I'm also not. Anyway, guys, today the internet is shaky, it seems. So we can continue on the next day. I'm not sure if I'm audible.
yes, sir, you are.
Yeah, guys, internet is shaky, it seems. So let's continue on the next opportunity next week. Next week, there was a proposal of having it in the afternoon. So you can try it in the afternoon also. Am I audible, guys?
Yes.
Yes. So can we try next week in the afternoon? Our meeting on Wednesday or Thursday sometime?
I will be free, Kalyan, after 2:30 only.
Right. So it's usually 3:30 to 5:30 that we
on
used
Saturday
to.
after 12:30.
Right. So maybe Wednesday 3:30.
Yeah,
We'll let you know the timing. So after 2:30 for sure it will be if it happens. This inquiry group meeting. Right. So guys, I don't think internet is. I see all videos are frozen. I'm not sure if I'm audible. So anyway, good day to all of you. Good day to all of you, and I'll try and upload the discussion so that if any lost in the network can be revisited. Yeah. Bye-bye.
Bye.